Has he? A big poo, Sam.
That's a big deal.
Thank you.
Am I on film?
Yeah.
Just texting Steve.
It's sort of the internet.
My internet.
No, Steve. Paula.
Oh, well, I don't. I assume so because there's not. I'm sure he'd go on about it if. This is what. Okay, thank you for your quick response. So.
Oh, Steve. Right. Yes, babe. So we've got the gas. Debbie and Sam, who really wants a sausage. Oh, my, I'm going to zoom in on now.
Is that his?
That's my dad's arse.
Yeah, I'm looking good, aren't they?
Lovely.
Them are cooked but not burnt, you see.
Cathedral cheese, babes, and then your salmon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be lovely, yeah. Are you having more salmon as well?
Yeah. Just have a
Yeah.
few sausages
These
with
are
cheese and
right.
about 30 vodkas.
We've got our chairs. You know the ones.
Oh, have they?
Yeah.
Oh, do you want me to get you one out? Oh, hang on. Yep. Oh, right. Here we go. I'm going to film this.
Bye.
Keep it rolling. We're all right. Get up about 1 o'clock tomorrow, aren't we, Dad?
Oh, we know.
About 1 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yeah, we need to spend some more time together, me and you.
Right. Let's get Debbie's chair out. Silly sausage. Oh, I say. Right. Right. So let's get this smart. This is smart. This is. It really is. This is a cool chair. Let's get Debbie's chair out. Right. This is smart. There's the chair. Right. Angel.
Yes. What does DC mean?
Hello, Sam. Yeah, babes. We just filmed this.
Same vibe. Can sleep overnight on ferry. What am I filming?
You see there?
Yeah.
You set your amazing
Am
chair.
I
up.
recording now?
Yes.
So all I've got to do is watch you do it. This is a chair.
This isn't just any chair.
This
This is
any
Debbie's chair.
This is a Debbie chair. Then round the corner I've got the same. And the watering can. Wait, there's Sam just looking at the sausage. This is Peter putting the chair together. Like a model.
A smiley model.
Yeah, he needs a shower with a token.
I had one last night. I need to shower, change of clothes.
Yeah, let's just hope we brought a change of
So
clothes.
I went to a camp. Awesome. There we go. So, that's Debbie's chair. Here for you, babes. What's that? you. Goes on there, like that. There you go, get that lined up.
Thank you, Peter.
Okay, so if you test the chair,
Oh, I need to get back out of it to get the lift.
there we go. Cool. Oh, they're looking good.
Oh, Peter's phone's on.
Oh, have you got yourself stuck, mate? Have a look at them. Have you got yourself stuck? Okay, let's put that one over there. Little dude. Boop. There's Sam. And there's Debbie. Amazing chair. Bring that wherever you want, babes.
I just wanted to set up one.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yes, so
So now I can get up. No standing.
I'll put the cheese.
Hands because I've had.
You've got the same seat. Where's that now?